Okay, so the first vocab word says when you read a number line from left to right, the numbers are in order from least to greatest. Okay, so blank is a statement of two quantities that are not equal. What do you think that is?
No, I was asking a question.
Summer?
Is it an inequality?
It is an inequality. So inequalities can have greater than, less than, greater than, less, or greater than equal to, or less than equal to symbols. So inequality. And we talked about this in your vocab. This symbol is always, always greater than. This symbol is always less than. You will also see greater than equal to and less than equal to. Those will be ones you'll learn eventually, okay? The next vocab word says the distance the number is from 0 on the number line. You did that as a preview word too. Does anyone remember what it was? Parker?
Absolute value.
Yes, this is absolute value. Okay, an absolute value is always going to be positive. You might want to write that down. Always positive. Never, ever, ever, ever negative. Okay, so we're going to graph the values in each table on the number line. Then we're going to list the numbers in order from greatest to least. So these are changes in stock price. We have a -5, so we graph that at -5. We graph 4, 0, -3, -6, and 2. Now we want to order them from greatest to least. So which number is the biggest? Got to start over on this side, right? And then we're going to go this way. So what's our biggest number? 4. Then what?
2.
Then
0.
-3, -5, -6. Okay? So if you graph them on the number line, you can easily see them from least to greatest. So if we want to go greatest to least, we have to go in the reverse order. Now we're going to compare integers using symbols. This is greater than, less than, or equal to. So when we compare a -10 and a -2, what symbol are we going to use? Which symbol should we put in that box? Summer?
Less than.
Less than. A -10 is less than a -2. Is that hard to see? Maybe red would show up better. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. -6 and 6. Carter?
6.
What symbol?
Oh.
A -6 is
Greater than.
less than 6. Okay. Now we're comparing -7 and -8. Amanda?
Greater than.
Yes, -7 is greater than -8. This one's tricky. We have 5 and the absolute value of a -5. So what is the absolute value of a -5? Taylor, do you know? 5. So what do we know about these two? They're what?
Equal.
Equal. Good. Okay. The next set of directions say to write two inequalities to compare a -2 and a -18. Okay. So I could say a -2 is greater than a -18. That's one way to say it, right? Or I could start with a -18 and then I would have to use which symbol? Less than a -2. So if you start with the -2, you have to say greater than, and if you start with the -18, you'd have to say less than, right? The next one says to order them from least to greatest. So looking at those numbers, we have 13, -13, the absolute value of -7, 0, and -7. Which of those numbers is the smallest value? Ella?
-13.
Okay, what one are you going to put next? So you cross that one off.
-7.
Okay, good. And then what? Hold on. 0's next. They read it as absolute value of negative 7, because what is the answer to that? What is the absolute value of negative 7? 7. But we have to leave it as the absolute value of negative 7. I kind of went long on that one. And then what comes last? Whoops.
13.
And then your last one is 13. Oh, shoot. Okay. And then our last example says to order the numbers. Now we're going greatest to least. Who wants to try this one? Richard.
7.
Awesome.
1, 0.
Was negative 1 or negative 5 a bigger number?
Negative 1.
Negative 1, good.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. That gets confusing when we start talking negative numbers. Think about where would they be on the number line. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our guided practice. So on your guided practice on page 16, the first set of directions say to graph the temperature for each city on the number line. So Summer already did A for us, okay? And she did it perfectly. You draw on the line and then you label it. Okay? And then B is where? Way over at 10, right? So label that B. C is at negative 2. D is at 0. And E is at 4. Make sure your dots are on the number line. Okay? And Summer already answered this question too. Which city is the coldest? When we're talking temperature, the least value is the coldest, right? So the negative 9 is the coldest, so city A is correct. So knowing that, which one is going to be the warmest city? Jenna? B. Good. On questions 2 and 3, we're going to list the numbers in order from least to greatest. Who would like to try number 2? Someone hasn't done one. Taylor. Least, the smallest first and then the biggest. So negative what?
Negative 9.
Okay,
Negative 6.
good.
Negative 3.
Yes.
Negative.
All the negatives are gone now. So now you have what next?
0.
Mm-hmm. So 0, 1, 4, 8. Good job. Who would like to do number 3? Jenna.
Negative 65.
Good.
Negative 13.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 7.
Yes.
7.
Yep. Yes, that's correct.
34.
Yes.
55.
And
62.
perfect. Okay, on question 4, it says to write 2 inequalities to compare a negative 17 and a negative 22. We just did an example like that in our notes, right? So I could compare negative 17, I would say is greater, right, than a negative 22. Or I could flip it around and say a negative 22 is less than a negative 17. Any questions on how to do that one? Okay, I'm going to call on you guys to do these. We're going to compare with less than or greater than. Okay? So number 5, negative 9 and 2. What are you going to put in that box? Is it Maya? No, oh, it's Layla. Lila. Sorry. Less than. I have a Miley. What about the next one? 0 and 6. What are you going to put in there? Less than. Perfect. How about 3 and negative 7? Carter.
Greater than.
Greater than. How about 5 and negative 10? Richard.
5.
So you have to say greater than. You have to use that symbol. Greater than. Number 9, negative 1, negative 3. Aaron?
Greater than.
Perfect. Negative 8, negative 4. Who haven't I called on yet? Gavin.
Less than.
Less than. -4 and 1. Hunter.
Less than.
Perfect. And then -2 and -6. Amanda.
Less than.
Less than. Oh, nope.
Yeah.
I wrote it, then I'm like, that's not right. It is greater than. -2 is greater than -6. All right, then the next set says to compare the temperatures of the following cities. We're going to write less than or greater than. So we're going to compare Alexandria and Winona. So what is the temperature of Alexandria? -3, and then we're going to compare it to 2, right? So what symbol should we put there? Parker?
Less than.
Less than. A -3 is less than 2. How about the next one? Redwood Falls and International Falls. What's the temperature of the first one? 0. And then if we compare it to International Falls, it's a -4. So what symbol should we put there? Hunter? Greater than. Okay. And the last question says, how can you use a number line to compare and order numbers? I'm going to write it below here because then I can write it bigger. I'm going to say, how can you use a number line? I'm just going to say, if you graph them, the numbers.
Will you write this down?
Yep. On a number line, how are they ordered?
From least to greatest.
Right. Are in order from least to greatest. So if you graph them on a number line, they're already ordered for you, least to greatest. If you want to go the other way, you have to go backwards, right?
But why does it say numbers on a number?
Oh, on the numbers on a number line. Sorry. Actually, I'll erase it. It'll look better. Thank you. Apparently, I can't talk and write. The numbers on it should say number line. Forgot number line. Forgot the word line. The numbers on a number line are in order from least to greatest.